Welcome back to Crypto Corner, the video podcast where we talk everything crypto related. In my previous episode, I talked about futures trading and I gave you some tips and strategies regarding leverage trading in general. And I saw questions in the comments asking me which exchanges do I use for leverage trading. So I will do a few videos now to address this question, starting with BYDFi. This is one of the top exchanges when it comes to leverage because of their wide range of trading pairs and, more importantly, great liquidity. Liquidity, as I explained, is a crucial factor when it comes to trading with leverage. In fact, regardless if you use leverage or not, this matters for spot trading too. You want good liquidity so you can jump in and out of trades easily, quickly. Sometimes you see the market turns against you and you want to act fast. So having liquidity is super important for a trader. While many people opt for KuCoin, it's worth noting that it may not be the best choice for beginners due to its complex trading interface, and also now they implemented KYC. Additionally, if you're based in the US or Canada, you face serious limitations with KuCoin. It's banned in Canada and has restrictions in the US. For experienced traders looking for high leverage options, BitMEX and FIMEX may seem also like viable alternatives. However, both BitMEX and FIMEX have lower leverage, which takes them out of the picture for me. Then we have Kraken, which provides a wide range of derivative pairs with over 90 options available. But if you want to trade specific cryptocurrencies like Shiba, for instance, or other derivatives, KuCoin, BitMEX, FIMEX, and Kraken aren't ideal at all. And if you're into copy trading, then none of these platforms will do the job for you. While FIMEX offers 100x leverage, it only has around 20 trading pairs. This means that if you want to trade anything else, you will turn to other exchanges. As a beginner, you will spend a lot of time figuring out which platform suits you best, while pro traders have to switch between multiple exchanges to access certain assets and avoid unnecessary losses. So, what's a more convenient solution? Well, I personally find that BYDFi offers a much better deal in terms of convenience and every aspect of crypto trading, starting with their simple, user-friendly interface, a wide range of trading options, and an overall seamless experience. This is why I'm doing this deep dive into BYDFi today. Let's break it down. Well, first I want to mention that this is not a new exchange. Some of you might be familiar with BTR exchange. I have talked about it in the past. It was launched back in 2020 as a cryptocurrency exchange that offers both spot and derivatives trading, as well as the ability to copy other traders on the platform. Whether you're a beginner and want to leverage the skills of professional traders, or you just want to set some capital for an automated, hands-free kind of experience, either way, this is a very popular service that this exchange offers from the very beginning. At the start of this year, in January 2023, BTR underwent a rebranding to align with its fundamental commitment to advancing blockchain technology. Positioned as a centralized exchange, it facilitates cryptocurrency trading, CFDs, and copy trading, providing a comprehensive trading environment. The platform supports deposits of fiat currencies and has a wide range of user-friendly features, including seamless payment options, spot and futures trading capabilities, and specialized programs. BYDFi has garnered geo licenses as a money services business in both the United States and Canada. BYDFi offers a huge selection of spot trading pairs and perpetual contracts, providing users with various trading opportunities. Now let's take a look at the spot trading. This is the interface here. This is the typical interface. You also have an advanced interface, but let's just have a look at the classic one here. Of course, this here are the trading pairs. You have trading pairs against USD Tether. Also, you have USDS and you have directly against fiat. This here is your chart. You can choose between different time frames, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or even higher time frames. You can use different indicators, and you can also just go straight to the trading view chart, and you can use different moving averages, different indicators, anything that you need, actually any kind of tools that you're using in your charting, in your technical analysis, you can use here. And this is where you're placing your orders, buy and sell orders. So not really that much different in terms of spot trading interface to other exchanges. I'm not going to take too much time with that. Let's go into the derivatives. As you come here to derivatives, you will see that they have perpetual contracts settled in USD Tether, and also they have perpetual contracts settled in cryptocurrency, but it's much less of a choice here. It's only a few of them. So of course, if you go to the USD Tether perpetual contracts, you're going to see a lot of trading pairs. In fact, let's take a look here. We have all of these different coins. As you see, it's a much wider choice here. Such a long list. Of course, you want to be using this one here. And I'm not going to do a tutorial now on how to do leverage trading. This is a separate video. But what I want to say here is that they have 150 pairs, as you see in this list here, 150 pairs of derivatives. Indeed, BYDFi offers some awesome perpetual contracts. They have very low slippage and they're settled, as I said, in USD Tether or other cryptocurrencies. And most importantly, the liquidity here and the depth are similar to those on Binance. Remember the 50x max leverage on Kraken? Well, here it is 200x. However, be careful and remember that it takes pro-level risk management to trade with this much leverage. I would always advise to start low, gain some experience, and only then try to be bold and increase your risk-reward ratio. This is surely not something you can master in a week or even a month. Don't be impatient and don't take blind risks. To be on the safe side, use low risk, and when you catch a trend and you are really confident in your success rate, then you can use higher leverage, but not really in this choppy market right now. Also, if you go to their help page here, you will find that they have a lot of articles and announcements and pretty much everything that you need. Of course, they have the most frequently asked questions answered, but also you can go here to derivatives and you will see here a list of different topics that they have already built tutorials. They explain, like here you have this perpetual contract operation tutorial for PC, or the same for the app. If you want to be doing this on the mobile app, they have mobile apps for iPhone and for Android, of course. So if you want to be trading from the app, you will be using this tutorial. If you want to be trading from your laptop, go through these tutorials here, because this is definitely going to help you. It's quite a few articles, and it's important to understand everything about this exchange if you're going to use it. Oh, and one more thing that you're going to love: no KYC needed for withdrawals up to half a Bitcoin per day. Yes, this is in response to all of you who asked me, now that BitGet and KuCoin are both implementing strict KYC for all, what's the best option? This is it. Half a Bitcoin per day is good enough. So BYDFi is your answer. Also, when you come to this tab here, the derivatives tab, you will see light contracts. And light contract is a derivative investment tool offered by BYDFi that allows us to capitalize on the price fluctuations of various financial assets, not just crypto. For instance, stock indices and commodity futures. And being derivative, it implies no need to possess the actual underlying asset. There's two groups here: main and innovation. And innovation is where you will find the newer assets, those that are with greater potential for bigger volatility, bigger growth, bigger gains. Of course, not all of them will make big pumps, so you have to do your careful research and choose well. Alright, moving on to copy trading. For those of you who actually want copy trading, here it is. And I remind you, all of that is happening on one platform without the need for switching between a pack of exchanges. And check out this convenient interface. You can see there are some great traders here, and you can filter them by ROI, win rate, followers gained, P&L, and plenty of options to choose from. You can pick any of these here. Of course, you want to have someone with a good ROI, but also you want someone with a lot of followers. Like this guy here has 53 followers, which is not that many. I've seen some traders with 200, 300, 400 followers. Some of them have actually maxed out the 500 followers that they are allowed to have. So you have to take these into account and make sure that they have a good trading history, not just starting to trade for the last 30 days, because that's not going to be enough. So you can go through different traders here and pick 2 or 3 of them, compare them, follow 2 or 3 guys for a start, and then as you see the results and as you're comfortable with one of them, then you can allocate your capital to that one. And what about safety? Well, security, of course, is a paramount concern. They have a comprehensive array of advanced instruments to safeguard our assets. Dual authentication with Google Authenticator, of course, this ensures robust account security, but also offline deep code storage wallets. They eliminate any single point of failure risks. The KDB Plus powered trade aggregation engine facilitates fast order execution and low slippage, while the system relies on Amazon Web Services for top-tier protection. Encrypted SSL protocols shield data traffic, and proactive vulnerability management ensures continuous monitoring and improvement. Apart from that, the exchange has been used for a long time already by hundreds of thousands of people, and I didn't find any security failures so far. So yeah, I think we can breathe out on this one. And one of the most recent features that BYDFi has introduced is coin lists. Coin list is a preset portfolio page that comprises of whatever coins you add in there. Let's see how it works. You will have to go to the app and tap your profile, and then here in the corner you will see lists, and you will see the create list tab. Tap the plus button here on the right. You will see that you can see that I already have one, which is called main, but you can create a few different ones. So you will give it a name. Let's say that this will be my DGen portfolio. So I'm gonna put DGen here, and then I'm gonna give it a description if I want to make it public, but I can actually keep it private, so I don't really need to give it a description in that case because it's going to be just for me. Don't forget to turn this button here, the public on or off button. And that's it, it's done. Now you can individualize the page by adding a cover and a background if that's what you want to do. And you can add some coins, just tap edit coin, and you can add whatever coins you're going to be having or you already have in that portfolio. If you make this public, it will appear in the public search as well. Another recent update from the platform is the BYD Point Center. Essentially, this is a series of rewarding events that started on the 15th of August, and they will last for 2 months. The reward pool is 600 million Shiba tokens. Let's see how it works. To get your Shiba tokens, you need to earn BYD points and hold them. The more BYD points you have at the end of the event, the bigger share of the Shiba prize pool that you will get. To be eligible for the Shiba airdrop, you need to complete KYC. This is important, but of course this is with all kind of exchange giveaways and things. Winners are required to collect their rewards within 3 working days after the activity ends, and multi-accounting will get you disqualified, so make sure that you don't open secondary accounts. Now here you will again click your avatar, and then you will go to BYD Point Center here. You can see it. You will have to complete several tasks, and then you can convert your BYD points. Also here you can see how long you have until the end of this giveaway, until this promotion is actually running. So depending on when you are going to log into this, you might actually have less than that. So make sure that you act fast just as I'm posting this video. Make sure that you are subscribed and you hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting a new video, so that you don't have to watch it 2 or 3 weeks later. It's best if you catch my videos just as I post them. Alright, so again, you have to complete different tasks for BYD points, and then you will convert these BYD points to airdrops. You also have another way to collect more points, and this is by sharing your referral link. When you refer friends, you get 10% of their points and 5% of their referrals points, which means second level teammates. Also, you can complete daily tasks like check-ins or deposits and trades to earn these BYD points. You will get points also when you top up your account. For instance, if you top up with $100 USD Tether, you will earn 10 BYD points. A top-up of 1,000 USD Tether will earn you 20 points, but note that your trading volume also plays a role in this. And there is more. You can earn extra points with the Lucky Wheel, 20 BYD points per draw. It's all here, so you just have to go through the different options and find what you want to do. Also, you can predict and win from the pool. The fee is 5%. By the way, there is a slick promotion right now with this platform. If you complete the KYC and make any deposit at all, using your credit card, even a tiny amount, you will be airdropped $100 for trading on perpetual contracts. Also, the transaction cost will be reimbursed with the equivalent amount to trade on perpetual contracts. You can't withdraw the money, but you can totally withdraw the profits that you will make with this $100 on the perpetual contract trading using any leverage up to 200x. The worst case scenario, you get free EXP points in trading and lose nothing. Alright, so let's sum it up. BYDFi offers 200x leverage, which is double the maximum other exchanges have, including Qcoin. Then it has over 150 derivative pairs, great copy trading opportunities, no KYC for withdrawals, and on top of that, it has light contracts to trade on markets other than crypto. Not only is the exchange available for everybody from Europe, US, and Canada, but all users are in for awesome promotions that allow you to earn on trading without risking a dollar. More than that, with the BYD Point Center, you can do some simple stuff every day and earn from the prize pool, which is only available right now for 2 months. There is so much to do on the platform right now, so go get it. Not to mention the security of the platform is excellent. For what it's worth, I think BYDFi is overall a much better and safer product than what we're used to. Considering all that, I suggest that you follow the link in the description of this video, register on the platform and explore the functionality for yourself. And make sure that you get your hands on that BYD Point Center prize pool. Also, to get it on the other promotions, you can follow their social media to keep an eye out for opportunities. They don't take long to appear on their announcements. All the links that you need are in the description below. I hope this is helpful, and if you like this content, show your support, leave a like or a comment or two. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestions or anything else that you want me to cover. Also in the description below you will find some other links to services that I'm using, like the best crypto wallets, and even a link to my free ebook about the best crypto wallets that I'm using and that I recommend to you. So make sure that you check it out. This is everything from me for this video. I hope it's helpful again. Thanks for staying until the end of the video. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos and I'm gonna see you there.